So as you guys can tell by this video, I've actually been lying to you guys. I'm gonna be revealing my real voice, and I've always just been like not liking my voice. Like, I don't like what I sound like, and I know this is gonna sound a little bit weird, but I used to been I was actually called Kermit the Frog when I was a little kid, and I know it sounds stupid, right? But like, here it is, guys. Here's my real voice. Hey guys, this is it. Guys, I really don't like my voice, and this is what I sound like. So, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys won't hate me for my voice. Okay. Thanks, guys.